What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty dripping, that's Christian Dior. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty tripping, she got a go. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with one of my favorite hair companies, which is UNICE. I was sent this 7x5. I hope I'm not wrong. 7x5. Yes, I was sent this 7x5 bye-bye knots closure wig, 24 inches, y'all. In the beginning of this video, you're going to see this hair straight out the packaging. I just put it on my head and I just add a little bit of my foundation to the lace. Other than that, y'all, I literally did nothing to this hair. Of course, I add some little curls to it because I felt like the top was just a little flat. I just wanted the top to have some volume. But the hair honestly already comes pre-curled if you don't know how to curl. So that's honestly something you don't have to worry about. The hair comes pre-plucked. The hair comes pre-bleached. The hair comes pre-styled. This literally is the perfect beginner friendly wig. You don't have to do anything to this wig. Like I said, I'm extra, so I choose to add some extra curls to the hair just to add a little, you know, volume and I didn't cut layers this time. I am a layer girly, but I honestly didn't cut layers this time. But yeah, this hair, y'all already know how I feel about UNICE. The hair is always a 10 out of 10. Never fails. I can honestly say, out of all my years of doing wig influencing, I don't think I ever got a bad wig from UNICE. Never. I never got a bad wig, and I don't plan on to. UNICE never lets me down. This wig is a glueless wig, y'all. Glueless, honey. Glueless. Glue wear. I didn't glue nothing. This is literally a beginner-friendly wig. Like I said, everything comes done already for you. You don't have to do nothing. If you're a girly who's a baddie on a budget, beginner-friendly wigs are for you. You can do it yourself. You don't have to pay for somebody to install your hair. And you know, hairstylists nowadays be having the extra fees if you want curls, if you want this, if you want that, same day customization. They be having all this extra stuff. Y'all save y'all coins and go get you a beginner-friendly wig from UNICE. And that's that. Money saved. And that's that, literally. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, Happy New Year, because we will be going into the new year, and this video will probably be dropping probably on New Year's Day or the day after. I don't know, but Happy New Year's. I will try my best to become more consistent on this channel because I've been slacking bad. But y'all, I'm coming back. Don't worry, I'm coming back. But other than that, y'all, like I said, all the details to this wig will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see exactly what I did to tweak this wig a little bit. Just continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I don't know if I said that already. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.